the verb go all the time in English. But did you know that it can have many different meanings depending on the words that follow it? Today, we're going to learn about some of the most common phrasal verbs with go and how to use them in real-life situations. Let's get started. Go away. Go away means to leave your home for a trip. I'm going away for the weekend. I'm going away for the weekend. I'm going away on business. I'm going away on business. Go ahead. Go ahead means proceed or to begin. May I start now? Yes, go ahead. May I start now? Yes, go ahead. You can go ahead and start the meeting. You can go ahead and start the meeting. Go back. Go back means to return to a place. He is going back to work after the break. He is going back to work after the break. She doesn't want to go back to her husband. She doesn't want to go back to her husband. Go around. Go around means to visit a person or a place. I went around to the post office. I went around to the post office. I'm going around to my sister's house later. I'm going around to my sister's house later. Go down. Go down means it becomes lower. The price of oil is going down. The price of oil is going down. Gas is going down in price. Gas is going down in price. Go up. Go up means it becomes higher. The price of oil is going up. The price of oil is going up. Gas is going up in price. Gas is going up in price. Go on. Go on means to continue. If you go on like this, you will lose your job. If you go on like this, you will lose your job. Please go on, I am listening. Please go on, I am listening. Go out. Go out means to leave a place. I like to go out at the weekend. I like to go out at the weekend. I went out for a walk. I went out for a walk. He went out to drink juice. He went out to drink juice. Go under. Go under means to become bankrupt equals be unable to pay what you owe. His business is facing the risk of going under. His business is facing the risk of going under. The small business will go under after a few months. The small business will go under after a few months. Go under. Go under means to sink below the surface. The ship went under in a heavy storm. The ship went under in a heavy storm. Thank you for watching the video.